Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer science fiction. It's part of our daily lives, from the virtual assistants we talk to the smart algorithms that recommend what we watch or buy next. But have you ever wondered where AI came from, how it works, and what the future holds? Let's explore the fascinating journey of AI, its past, present, and future. AI has roots dating back to ancient myths, where machines and automation fascinated philosophers. However, the formal birth of AI as a science happened in the mid-20th century. The year was 1956, and a small group of scientists, including John McCarthy, gathered at Dartmouth College for a summer research project. Their goal? To see if machines could mimic human intelligence. That's when the term artificial intelligence was born. At this time, AI was mostly theoretical. Computers were just learning how to play chess or solve simple problems. The famous Turing Test, proposed by Alan Turing, was one way of measuring a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to a human. Fast forward to today, AI is everywhere. We see AI in everyday things, from your phone unlocking using face recognition to self-driving cars and even AI-generated art. AI today functions through complex algorithms, machine learning, and deep learning. It processes massive amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying patterns that help make predictions, decisions, or recommendations. Take Siri or Google Assistant. They use natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to your voice commands. AI can now understand and respond in human-like ways, whether it's helping you find the best route to work or even writing emails. At its core, AI works by training machines to learn from data. Think of it as teaching a child. First, they learn basic rules like recognizing shapes or colors. Over time, they get better with more practice, and soon they can distinguish between a cat and a dog. AI works similarly, except instead of trial and error, it learns by processing huge amounts of data. For example, a self-driving car uses cameras and sensors to see the road. AI analyzes the data to understand what's happening, whether there's a stop sign, a pedestrian, or an obstacle, and decides what to do next. It's almost like teaching the car to drive, but without a human behind the wheel. AI in different sectors of human life. AI isn't limited to gadgets or research labs. It has touched nearly every sector of human life. AI helps doctors detect diseases early, analyze medical images, and even develop personalized treatment plans. It's saving lives. In banking, AI fights fraud, speeds up transactions, and makes stock market predictions. It's behind the scenes, keeping your money safe. In education, AI is revolutionizing learning. From personalized learning paths to AI tutors that help students with homework, education is becoming more accessible and efficient. In entertainment, Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend shows, movies, and music based on your preferences. It's why you discover new shows you love. In robotics and automation, in industries, robots powered by AI perform tasks faster and more precisely than humans. Think of assembly lines in car manufacturing or even food delivery drones. So what does the future hold for AI? While AI today is impressive, its potential is only beginning to unfold. Researchers are working on AI that can think, reason, and even feel emotions. While this may sound futuristic, it's not far-fetched. Imagine a future where AI can help solve global problems, from climate change to curing diseases. AI could revolutionize fields like agriculture by optimizing crops, or even the justice system by making unbiased legal decisions. But with all this power comes responsibility. As AI advances, it also raises important ethical questions. Can we trust AI to make decisions for us? What happens to jobs as machines take over more roles? The future will demand careful consideration of these challenges. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, transforming every aspect of our lives. While it's still evolving, its potential is boundless, from helping us make everyday decisions to solving the world's most complex problems. Whether we realize it or not, AI is here to stay, and it's up to us to shape its future wisely. If you found this brief outlook on AI fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue exploring the amazing world of technology together. Thanks for watching.